Here's a video tutorial on all possible ways to retrieve deleted text messages from iPhone. The first quick and easy method is to retrieve recently deleted text messages within 30 days. To do so, launch the Messages app on your iPhone. If you are on this screen, then go back to List of Messages Conversation. Again, tap on Filters option at the top left corner. See the recently deleted folder at the last on your iPhone. Tap to open and view all recently deleted conversations. These conversations show the day remaining before deleting. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted. This might take up to 40 days. As you can see on my iPhone screen, to recover, select the Message Conversation checkbox that appears next to the name. If your message does not appear here, then you can recover it from the latest backup or iCloud message explained in Method 2. Tap on Recover at the bottom right corner. Again, confirm with the Recover Message option. Go back and check your conversation added to the list. If you can't find, then follow this Method 2. Use your iCloud backup and restore from Sync option or Latest Backup. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Apple ID Profile Name. Tap on iCloud and see all iCloud services enabled or disabled on your iPhone. Now, tap on See All to manage and find messages backed up in iCloud. Keep Toggle Enabled Use on this iPhone to save all your messages in iCloud in the background. To find deleted messages and conversations, tap on the Manage Storage option and find the top conversations deleted from your iPhone. That's it. Go back and check if you have enabled iCloud backup. If so, then we can restore messages from the latest iCloud backup. Until Keep Backup this iPhone toggle and Backup over Cellular toggle is enabled. To keep all essential data in iCloud Backup, find the link for Restore iCloud Backup on iPhone given in the video description. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback and questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.